Good morning everyone. Already we have completed video 1 and 2 and the lesson 1 and 2, and now we are going to start with the lesson 3. Lesson 1 is part 3, and write down day and date in your book. And now in the video you could see a picture, that is a table, and on the table what is there? Book. Now let us frame some sentences by looking at the picture. Before we start framing the sentences, we should know the words. Yes or no? To speak language, we should know the vocabulary, right? Now let me tell you some of the words. By using these words, you can frame the sentence easily. Now you could see the picture. The book is on the table, right? Let me tell you. Now first check with these words. You should remember these words to frame the sentence. Now yah means this. Yah माने क्या है? This. Hi means is. Already we discussed in the previous video. Hi means is. किताब, book. किताब माने क्या है? Book. मेज, जा के नीचे नुक्ता है ना, मेज, टेबल. पर माने क्या है? On. क्या, what. Mostly we will use the word what. Why? We will ask all these questioning words, right? Now, क्या माने what. And kahan. When Chandrabindu is given on ha, the sound should come from through nose and mouth at a time. Ha. Kahan. Where. And in this, we are going to learn two questioning words. That is, one is what, where. What means kya, where means kahan. ठीक है? Now, by looking at the picture, you can frame sentence like this. Now see, you can say यह किताब है. It means what? This is a book, right? ये will be used in English to indicate that the sentence is in singular, right? Here no need to use a. Okay, a means one. एक need not write. यह किताब है. This is a book. Now, by looking at the table, we are saying, we are not talking about table. Now we are talking about the book. This is a book. Okay, means यह किताब है. Now, you can ask some question like if you misplace your book, you can ask your mama or any of your friend, where is the book, you will ask, right? So, where? Where means what? कहाँ. किताब कहाँ है. Hai means what? Is. Is. कहाँ means where. किताब means book. Where is the book? That is English. किताब कहाँ है. It means in Hindi we are asking where is the book. Now, you want to reply. If somebody asks you like where is the book, you want to reply to them, it is on the table. Now how you will say? Mez means what? Table. Right? Mez means table. Par means on. If you would like to say it is on the table, then you will say किताब मेज पर है. Understood? किताब मेज पर है. When you are translating, the words will not come in order, children. That you need to understand. Like only if you can understand Telugu, in Telugu you can think like that and you can frame sentence in order. అంటే పుస్తకము బల్ల మీద ఉంది. In that way, Telugu you can translate the sentence. किताब मेज पर है. Book is on the table. Now, if you want to ask some question to somebody, like something you find on the table, like you are going to question them, like what is on the table? मेज पर क्या है. क्या means what. What is on the table. मेज पर क्या है. And now you want to answer to them. मेज पर book is on the like table, right? Now मेज पर, on the table book is there, right? मेज पर किताब है. And you can answer in two ways. किताब मेज पर है. Book is on the table. On the table book is there. Anything same only. The way of answering is different. मेज पर किताब है. Likewise, if you take an image, you need to discuss with it. Like where, what, like all these questioning words, if you can question to that particular thing, you will get some answers. Likewise, you can communicate. Now come to the next topic. Now see the second topic, हाथ में कलम. Here in the picture you could see one person is holding a pen in the hand, right? Now see how to frame the questions and how to give the answer. Let us learn. Before we start learning it, learn these three new words now. Kalam. Kalam माने pen. Kalam माने क्या है? Pen. Haath. Haath means hand. And may. There is a difference between my and may. My means I. May means in. Okay. Now see. We can say this is a pen. This means yah. Is means hai. Kalam means pen. This is a pen. Yah kalam hai. And you can ask the question, where is the pen? Where means what we have to use in Hindi? Kahan. Kalam kahan hai. Where is the pen? Then by using the picture we can answer kalam haath mein hai. Kalam haath mein hai. Mein means in. Pen is in the hand. Now you can ask another question. What is in your hand, right? We can ask na. Kya? Kya means what? Haath mein kya hai? What is in the hand? Haath mein kalam hai. Pen is in the hand. Understood? How to frame the questions, like how we are going to talk to others. These many ways you can speak in Hindi. Understand, children? Now go to the next topic. See this? School mein ladki. School means, like in English also you will say school only. In Hindi we can say Vidyalay or Pathshala also. School mein ladki. Ladki mane girl. Now check with these words. Yah. Still now we are learning yah means this. But yah means two more meanings I am adding here. He, she also yah. When we use yah in Hindi, these are all words we can take in English. This, he, she. Now naam. Naam means name. School, school. Maidan, playground. Okay. Now you can see one girl is wearing a bag and standing there, right? By looking at her, we can frame the questions now. Ya ladki hai. She is a girl. Like what kind of sentences we can frame there? Ya ladki hai. She is a girl. And we can imagine something like someone is Sumar, Uma, someone is standing there. And she is a girl and her name is like Uma. Like that we will be telling to somebody else. Right? Iska naam Uma hai. Her name is Uma. Uma school mein padhti hai. She studies. Padhti means reading and studying. Two words will come. Right? Uma school mein. In the school. She studies in the school. समझ में आया? अब इधर देखो. मैदान में लड़का. मैदान माने क्या है? Playground. लड़का माने boy. Children, I hope you all could follow that. Like previous video, whatever words we learned, like ladka, ladki, all these were words we are using here, right? Now, Maidan mein ladka. And he is a boy. As we say, he is a boy. Yah means this, he, she. Right? Yah here we are using yah. Means he. He is a boy. Yah ladka hai. And iska naam. His name. Naam mane kya hai? Name. His name is Rajesh. Hi means is. Rajesh means that boy's name we are using. And where is Rajesh? He is playing in the ground. Rajesh kahan hai? We can ask question, right? Rajesh kahan hai? Where is Rajesh? Rajesh मैदान में खेलता है. He plays in the playground. समझ में आया? See the next one. Now see this topic. किताब और कलम. किताब और कलम. In this, kitab means book. Kalam means pen. In the previous topic we learned it. Now what is aur? Aur means and. Aur means and. Now see. And you can find some of the new words here and you let us see. Ye. Ye means they, these. Ye means what? They, these. Aur. Aur mane and. A-N-D. Right? Now, hi. In the previous one we learned hi. Hi means is. Now here हाइम, हाइम माने आर, हाइम माने क्या है? आर. किताब means book, और means and, a means they, these. When person comes we will use they, when things or any other things we will use these. Kalam means pen, hain means are. Okay, and can you find any new words here? Kitab और kalam kaha, kaha means where. Rest all same only. Okay, par means on, our means and. The same words we are learning. Every time we are learning 2-3 new words and which we are using regularly. Now see, ye in the picture you could see what is there on the table. One book and pen also, right? ये किताब और कलम है. Now when you want to tell something to somebody, like here all the only one thing you have to understand, how to frame the sentence, how to frame the questions, how to speak, right? Every time when you are learning sentences you should remember that you should be able to speak it. Understand? ये किताब और कलम है. ये these, hind means are, these are book and pen, these are book and pen. Now किताब और कलम कहाँ है? कहाँ means where, hind means are, where are the book and pen? किताब और कलम कहाँ है? You can ask, मेरी घड़ी कहाँ है? Where is my watch? घड़ी means what? Watch. Likewise you can frame the sentence by using the questioning word. ठीक है? किताब and when you want to answer, किताब और कलम मेज पर है. पर means what I said? On. मेज means table. किताब और कलम मेज पर है. Book and pen are on the table. मेज पर क्या क्या है? What are there on the table? आप खाने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हो and when you are ready to eat you will ask your mama what is there on the table, right? Like अम्मा, आप you can ask your mama, right? अम्मा टेबल पर क्या रखा है? मेज पर क्या रखा है? What you kept on the table? Understand? मेज पर क्या क्या है? What are there on the table? मेज पर on the table किताब और कलम है. Book and pen are on the table. Likewise you can ask, if somebody asks you what is on the table, you whatever things you can find on the table that only you can reply, right? If you can see a water bottle, एक पानी का बोतल है. मेज पर एक पानी का बोतल है. Likewise you can speak by using same word, that only things will change, sentence will not change. Understand? Now see the next one. Now see this, Uma और राजेश. Uma और means and, Uma and Rajesh, these are just names. Now by imagining the picture there, by looking at the picture, like we can frame some more sentences. Now how to tell, like one boy and girl are sitting, right? Now we want to introduce them. How you will introduce? They are Uma and Rajesh, right? ये Uma और Rajesh हैं. A means, see last time I told you A means they and these. When person comes we will use they, right? We want to say these. They are Uma and Rajesh. Got my point? They are Uma and Rajesh. ये Uma और Rajesh हैं. Now see, and where are they? If you want to ask where Uma and Rajesh, where means what word we will use? कहाँ. Uma और Rajesh, Uma and Rajesh कहाँ हैं? Where are Uma and Rajesh? Now how to answer? Like if they are at home. Home means what you will say? घर. Home or house, whatever. Okay. Uma and Rajesh are at home. You want to say Uma and Rajesh are at home. So what you have to say? What word you have to use here? May. Letter. See, may means in, right? Uma and Rajesh घर में हैं. Means they are at home. వాళ్ళు ఇంటిలో ఉన్నారు. Uma and Rajesh ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు. లో means in, means may. Got my point, children? May means in Telugu లో, ఇంటిలో ఉన్నారు. घर में कौन कौन है? कौन means, see here, कौन means who Another questioning word. Kaun means who. Who are at home. Okay. घर में कौन कौन है. Who are in the house. Now who are in the house. घर में उमा और राजेश है. In the home who are there. Uma and Rajesh are there. Understand? Likewise, whenever you want to frame any sentence by using questioning words like simple conjunctions like aur, may, in, all these, by using these words easily you can frame the small sentences. Now onwards you try to speak on this, like take any particular picture or anything, you frame question and answers also. Likewise you can start speaking in Hindi. ठीक है. और lesson 3 का topics I will be sharing at the end of the video. You can go through it and we will meet in the next video. धन्यवाद.